Hello, everybody. Welcome to Cooking with Mrs. Ann. And I'm Mrs. Ann. Okay, today we're going to be doing a beef stir fry over a bed of white rice. I have 2 cups of water. So we're going to add 2 cups of rice. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of margarine. Heat your skillet with olive oil and 2 tablespoons of margarine. Okay, now we're going to brown our beef. It shouldn't take but about 5 minutes. Okay, our beef is brown. Now we'll do our vegetables. I'll cover the skillet with the olive oil, and then we added 2 tablespoons of margarine. Frozen stir-fry vegetables. And we'll cook this about 3 to 5 minutes. The stir-fry seasoning. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 cup of water. And add your meat back to your sauce. Stir it up. Bam, there it is, your beef stir fry. So good eating, quick cooking, good eating. I'll holler.